Hello YouTube, Zachnafine Aconite here, and this video is going to be a bit different than what you usually see. It's an unboxing, or I guess an unpackaging, of my new LAM on After Midnight official band shirt. And this is the design that, to my knowledge, there will not be any more remakes, reprints, whatever have you of, because reasons. Uh, I didn't bother to ask. But it's the one with the Love You to Death artwork on the back. I already have this one, technically. But, try as I might, it just doesn't fit. They don't have my size. I wear a large. They don't have that anymore. I tried getting a medium. I couldn't squeeze into it. So I got an extra large, and this is that extra large. So, yeah, I'm not going to show you the other side because it's got my address on that shit, so I can show you instead the general size of the package compared to, I guess, my hand here. It's not that big, but, I didn't order that much. Last I ordered was the shirt plus 2 pins, so it was a little bigger, but, whatever. It is what it is. Size doesn't matter anyway. Anyway, I even, I was gonna make a joke. I was gonna say that I tried going vegan for this to fit, but considering how seriously he takes that, it might. Yeah, no. I did try going vegan though. It was for different reasons though. So yeah, he always manages to wrap this stuff up quite thoroughly. He knows what he's doing. It's good that I live in California too, because it obviously didn't take as long to ship as last time for whatever reason. I don't know if you can hear it or see it, but my phone keeps going off as I'm, recording this. Somebody's in one of the amino chats. I think it might be the roast chat. Most of us have a lot of fun over there. It's just so hard to do with one hand. Let's see. Yeah, I'm doing this with scissors, by the way, because last I pulled a knife in one of my videos. Apparently it was just a little too much for some viewers. Not naming names. But, yeah, you know the one. Let's see here. Yeah, we're gonna need something here. A fucking chainsaw, maybe. God, how much tape did you put, Sean? Okay, hold on. Ow. Yes! Yes, I'm left-handed. No, I'm not a Satanist. Which, that future video about that coming soon, hopefully. Yeah, come on. Just a little bit at a time. All the way in. There we go. Put that how you will, Internet. Okay. Ow. What is this? Ow. We got a bonus sticker. Join the revolution. Dude, that's like all of them. There's a meme I saw of Sean at some point, the lead singer, Sean Brennan. He does everything for this band, man. And at some point I saw this meme of somebody photoshopped his face over, I think it was Photoshop, but it looks so shit. It was this photo of some dude playing all these random instruments, the drums, cymbals, guitar, accordion, whatever, and his face is just over that. That's about it in a nutshell, yeah. He does everything himself, really. damn good man for it, too. Let's see here. Save that for later. He always manages to throw in the bitchinest shit. Bonus stickers especially. Okay, and here we have the shirt. If I can... hold on a second. And the logo's a bit small, but, you know, like I said, size doesn't matter. And, yeah, I mean, it's definitely about as good as I was expecting. I already have the other one, but this one's definitely going to fit me much more thoroughly than the other. The other one felt like a second skin. But this I'm going to have some damn good fun with. And the good thing about smaller band logos on the chest is that, you know, if you're wearing a coat or whatever and it's open, it's better to see it. All the better to see you with, dear Brennan. For those of you simpletons that have never seen it before. Excellent song, although it's a little much for some reasons. But the artwork, about as excellent as I remember. Seeing it now, as not worn out, I guess, in person is pretty nostalgic. It was a while ago that I ordered the original shirt, so it's nice to see this thing again, you know, in a better state of, you know, care. But I'm sure there's still time for me to ruin it. In all seriousness, thank you so much, Sean. I support you guys in every way that I'm able or apt to. I already have 2 London After Midnight CDs. Great band, great sound for the genre. And keep doing what you do. You're kicking ass. And as for you on YouTube, if you like, please like. Feel free to share your obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell. And as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I love you all.